Good morning, my name is Brian Sankey and this is just a short video on the Cirrus Optimus sound level meter. Alright, this is for the red version or the green version. Obviously this video does not replace any manufacturer's instructions, so we recommend obviously that you read those thoroughly before using the equipment. But this is just a guide on how to set one up when you're going to use it for the first time. Okay, so this is the case that the Optimus Green or red comes in, and obviously what we've got our acoustic calibrator on the side there, obviously for calibrating it before every use. We've got our download cable, we've got 4 spare batteries, and we've got obviously the keys to lock the case as well. We've got a spare battery for the acoustic calibrator there as well, and then we've got the instrument itself with the windshield on top of there as well. In the lid of the case we have the instruction manual, we have the certificate as well. So you know, the software for this is available to download from Cirrus's website. The software is called Noise Tools, okay? And that's available to download from their website so that you can download the data from the machine after you've used it. Okay, so first use of it, obviously what we're going to do, we'll take the instrument out of the box, slide the box over there like that, and then you're left with that instrument there with the windshield. We'll take the windshield off. What we'll do is we'll press, turn and hold, the instrument will then start up. And what we'll need to do, and what you should be doing every time before you use it on a daily basis, is calibrating the instrument to make sure it is calibrated to the manufacturer's specifications before use. Okay, so once I've pressed and hold the on button on here, this obviously Optimus will start up, and straight away you can see it's reading what I'm saying or doing. It's picking up the decibels of me speaking close by it. Alright, so you can see obviously from the menu of this here, you've got various different options. But what we want to do is we want to calibrate the instrument. So we press the calibrate button there, and it then says waiting for the tone. We'll then go to the acoustic calibrator, press that on there. That then gives us a tone, which you can probably hear then, and then we put that over the top of the instrument like that. And what that will say, it will calibrate to 93.7. There we go, that's calibrated. So once that's done, you click OK, take the acoustic calibrator off, and turn it off again. Remember to turn it off because obviously that will consume the battery. Alright, so that's now ready for use now. What you would then do is, obviously to start recording, you would hit the start button, and that will then start recording the decibels as you're moving around with the sound level meter across the site that you're doing. And then obviously when you finish, you would hit stop. So just to show you for example, hit start. You've then got an option to record a voice tag. Alright, so this is something you can use if you're doing lots of different sites. You could record a little name there of site A, site B if you wanted to. So if you did that, you'd hit record and say the word, and it will then store it in the instrument, and then you'll be able to play it back in the software afterwards. Or in this case, if you don't want to do a voice tag, you just click skip, and there you go, it will then start recording. You can see from this top left hand corner we've got a little red circle going around, and that's telling you now that it's recording the data that's coming through from the sound level meter. Alright. When you're ready and you've gone, you walk around the site, you then hit the stop button. Alright, that'll stop that there, so that's now stopped that recording, and that's now stored into the instrument for you to then go back and use in future. Alright, once you've finished all your measurements, all you then do, obviously, is turn the instrument off. So press and hold the button there, and then it'll shut down. Okay, so that's that done. Once you've downloaded the software from Cirrus's website, which is Noise Tools, and it's set up on your desktop as an icon, what you then do is you can take the bottom cover off the actual instrument itself there, and then you can see from here, plug the download cable into there, that other end goes into your USB. Once that's plugged in, the Noise Tools software will then automatically recognise the instrument, and the serial number will display on the actual Noise Tools software. And then you can click on the download button to download the measurements you've done. It'll then produce a list of all those measurements, and then you can highlight and pick the one you want to have a look at, and then generate a report, a PDF report of that date and time. Alright, so it's a good little tool for being able to do a lot of different recordings across a different site, and downloading and storing the data for you to use at a later date. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you very much.